you would insert your rough-in box. They would flip it, set it down. They would level the mounting brackets. They would screw this box into here. Then you would have other brackets here. You would take this whole rough-in and screw this onto the ceiling this way, wherever you need to go, mounting it with the brackets that come on the sides, like we do the rest of the SeeLess stuff. And that's it for rough-in. They would mud everything, tape and mud. When it's finished, they would install their speaker from the bottom, and they would put the grill.